Have you been looking for that one item that will put you over the top and make you the success that you desire and deserve? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. If you've been looking at YouTube videos hoping to find the one item that will put you in the 5% crowd of people that are successes, you don't want to miss this. I know that you encounter many challenges in your life, and infomercials like this have helped you to solve most of them. Get excited. Here comes the Success-o-matic from Daddy-O Industries. Now, you've already purchased some products to get you over the top, and that list is endless. The Always Cold Pillow. Never put your face down on a warm pillow again. Its brother, the Go-Go Pillow. Hold your electronic devices in a pillow. Skinny's Instant Arm Lift removes unsightly arm flabbiness. Zoomies, the hands-free binoculars. Fat Magnet gets rid of all the grease from your food. Cush Support, place it in betwixt your breasts for additional support while you're sleeping. Cleavage not included. Better Marriage Blanket, absorbs flatulence from your sheets. You'll never say silent but deadly again. The Buck Up, an actual gun rack attachment for your bed. Now you can kill an intruder without leaving the comfort of your own bed. The Potty Patch, a place for your pet to poop indoors. Sanitary solution. You'll never touch toilet paper again. The Booty Pop lifts your buttocks to prevent sagging cheeks. And you know what I mean. Sauna Pants makes you sweat in the area that you need to the most. Poo Trap, just attach it to your dog's backside and never pick up their poop again. Available in 8 sizes and 3 colors. The Potty Putter, your own miniature golf course to practice putting while you're seated in the john. Multitasking at its best. Another golf item, the Euro Club. That's a hollowed out golf club so that you can relieve yourself while you're out on the golf course. It's the only club guaranteed to keep you out of the woods. GLH, great looking hair. A spray paint for those of us that are follically challenged. And my very favorite, the Slob Stopper, an adult bib that is sure to attract a partner of your dreams. Now, do you struggle and strain to reach high places? Are you ready for the genius tool that makes you a success? Then you need the Success-o-matic from Daddy-O Industries. It's super precise, but that's not all. Its folding design stores easily. It's perfect for picnics and dishwasher safe. It comes fully assembled with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free shipping, free beverage holder, and at no risk or obligation. But wait, order now and you'll also receive 6 free steak knives. Just pay separate process and handling. This offer is not available in stores, so call now. 1-800-ELI'S-DAD. That's 1-800-ELIS-DAD. Now, you can order the amazing Success-o-matic for 5 easy payments of $19.95. But wait! If you order before midnight tonight, you'll also receive my very special instructional booklet on how to give yourself some quiet thinking time every single day. It's a step-by-step instrumental blueprint that tells you how to close your eyes in an area where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable chair and think positive thoughts to plan your day and achieve your burning desire by breaking down your challenges into their smallest components. And for the first 100 people that order, a blueprint for how to think 20 things every day that you're grateful for. Send that vibe into the universe and receive mind flashes from the infinite partner. How much would you pay for all of these items? But to make this offer completely irresistible, you'll also be the recipient of events that you can neither predict nor plan from your universal partner. Now how much would you pay? You get all of this for 5 easy payments of $19.95. But wait! Order now and we'll make one of those payments for you. All of this is backed by our famous 50-year guarantee. Yes, my friends, the legend is back, at a genuine legend price. Call now. Daddy-O Industries is not affiliated with Make America Great Again or the Communist Party. And always remember, let's not ration the passion, let's fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.